60-watt solar panel. You can have up to 400 watts of total solar input. So what does that mean? So if you had 400 total watts of solar, right, that we have the 110 watt, you can have obviously 3 more solar panels, or you can consider getting the 2-pack of the 160 watt in combination. That means you can now, the more power in, the faster you can recharge. Okay. And that means more sun, more energy. We're taking literally the power from the sun, converting it into energy to recharge the power station. Can we go into the display really quickly? Because I want to explain what I mean by when we say it's not just to recharge. Okay, do you see what that says? We got our refrigerator plugged in, we got the light plugged in. That's 135 watts. That means the compressor's probably kicked in on the refrigerator. Let's just say that it stayed at 136 watts. If you decided to pick up that the 110, the bundle with the 110 watt, or you decide to get the 160 watt. Think about this. If this is at 100%, the wattage that you see is now not getting pulled from the battery itself, but it's getting pulled from your solar panels. It's getting powered by the sun. When you have a solar panel connected to your power station, it's not a power station, it's a solar generator. So everything that you now have plugged into your power station while your solar panels are out are not depleting the battery. They're literally free power from the sun, which is why when you say, why do I want the bundle? Well, that means with that solar panel, I can power my light and my fan without depleting the power from my power station. When the sun goes down, now it's just running off of battery power. More solar I've got, more things I can run without having to worry about depleting power from my power station.
I can see that going camping, right? Yeah. We get up in the morning, we put our EcoFlow out, we open the solar panel, we plug it in all day long. Maybe we're plugging in our devices to recharge with the solar panel at night. Yeah. Unplug, you don't need the solar panel, but you've got your charged up, right? So when you're taking it out camping, if you like those comforts when you're out camping as well, maybe in the RV, again, in an emergency you have it, but you're gonna be using it, that outdoor party, that beach, that barbecue, you're gonna be using
Barbie.
I never. It's true. Sometimes those things sneak out a little bit. Everybody goes, I know where you're from. But take a look at your screen. These are just some ideas here. Look, are they plugging in like the lights outside as well? They're watching a projector. The kids are having a good time outside. This is how you're going to get that power. And this is latest technology. Yeah. That's the other thing I love. When you're getting something like this, when we're talking about power, especially in case of an emergency, you want that #1 brand. Yep. You want that latest technology, and that's what you're getting from EcoFlow today. And if you have the HSN card, take advantage of 18-month VIP financing right now. And like you said, you mentioned peace of mind. Yeah. As a dad at home, anytime there's a storm coming, I see on the weather, I'm like, am I prepared? What do I have? I have my EcoFlow. I'm good.
Here's another thing. You can be prepared when you're not even home. When we let it leave, we used our EcoFlow to plug in, because we just spent $300 on food getting ready. We plugged it into our refrigerator, and we plugged another one into our fish tank, so that when we lost power, this kicked in as an emergency power source, even when we weren't home, to power up the refrigerator while the power was out, and then to power up the fish tank while the power was out. There are so many different ways that you're going to find yourself using this. I love the fact that we're doing it in a great form factor like the Delta 1000, because now you're going to use it in way more ways than you thought were possible, because you're going to take it with you. This isn't 50 pounds, it's not 100 pounds, it's manageable power, and it's power that you know that you're going to use and that you're confident that you can use. And again, yeah, maybe it's a baseball game, at the barbecue, maybe it's Christmas Day, and all of a sudden the power goes out and all the lights go out.